Hello and welcome to this video guide on setting up ReportAway for FreshBooks. In this guide we're going to show how to download and go through the initial configuration to allow ReportAway to access your FreshBooks data. So let's get started. First we're going to go to the web browser and download the application. We can do that from the Asir Systems website or from BlackBerry App World. At the Asir Systems website, we can simply click on the Try It button, which takes us to the download landing page, and then we click on the download button. Download. After the download's complete, we're going to exit to the main screen, the launch icon for ReportAway. When you launch ReportAway, you're going to be asked to accept a license agreement, and it's normal for ReportAway to exit after accepting that agreement. The second time we launch ReportAway, we're greeted with a welcome message, and the setup wizard launches. Now the setup wizard is going to guide us through our authorization of ReportAway to access our FreshBooks account. So we're going to hit Next, and we have to enter our username and subdomain. Now the username is the username that you normally use to log into FreshBooks from your web browser. The subdomain is the name of your organization with FreshBooks. After we've entered our username and subdomain, we click Next, and we'll be taken to the FreshBooks site to authorize access. Now at the FreshBooks site, we'll be entering our normal FreshBooks username and password. And what this does is it tells FreshBooks that we're going to grant ReportAway access to our data. So at this point, we're using the normal BlackBerry web browser. After entering our username and password, we click Allow Access. When this process is complete, we come back to ReportAway, and it begins automatically reconciling your account data from the FreshBooks service into your BlackBerry. And it does this in a sequence of steps, as we're witnessing here. It downloads all your client, project, task, category, tax code, time records, expenses, and invoice data. So here we are. That process is completed. And as an example, if we were to go in and look at our client list, we can see a number of clients. If we were to go down and browse time entries, we can see various time entries that are in FreshBooks. The only point I would make at the end here is, obviously, to use ReportAway for FreshBooks, you must have a FreshBooks account, and the account must have the API enabled. If you were to log into FreshBooks using a web browser, you would go to the My Account FreshBooks API links and click the checkbox that indicates Enable API. Well, we hope you found this video guide interesting. Thank you for watching.